Chapter 2. Question 1. 1 mark each. Choose the correct option and rewrite the statement. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metals is ... Option 1, Option 2, Option 3, Option 4. And the correct option, Option 1. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metals is 1. Alkaline earth metals have valency 2. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is in ... Option 1, Option 2, Option 3, Option 4. And the correct option, Option 1. Alkaline earth metals have valency 2. This means that their position in the modern periodic table is in group 2. Molecular formula of the chloride of an element X is XCl. This compound is a solid having high melting point. Which of the following elements be present in the same group as X? Option 1, Option 2, Option 3, Option 4. And the correct option, Option 1. Molecular formula of the chloride of an element X is XCl. This compound is a solid having high melting point. So it is sodium chloride. Question 1b. An element has its electron configuration as 282. Now answer the following questions. What is the atomic number of this element? The atomic number is 2 plus 8 plus 2, that is equal to 12. What is the group of this element? As there are 2 electrons in the outermost shell, the group of this element is group 2. To which period does this element belong? There are 3 shells, therefore this element belongs to period 3. With which of the following elements would this element resemble? Nitrogen, beryllium, argon, chlorine. This element resembles to beryllium with atomic number 4. Question 2. 2 marks each. Write down the electronic configuration of the following elements from the given atomic numbers. Answer the following question with explanation. Lithium 3, silicon 14, helium 2, sodium 11, phosphorus 15. Which of these elements belong to be period 3? Let's write down the electronic configuration. Lithium 2, 1. Silicon 2, 8, 4. Helium 2. Sodium 2, 8, 1. Phosphorus 2, 8, 5. The elements which belong to period 3 are silicon, sodium and phosphorus, as each of them is having 3 shells. Next one, hydrogen 1, nitrogen 7, calcium 20, sulfur 16, beryllium 4, argon 18. Which of these elements belong to the second group? Let's write down the electronic configuration. Hydrogen 1, nitrogen 2, 5, calcium 2, 8, 8, 2, sulfur 2, 8, 6, beryllium 2, 2, argon 2, 8, 8. Out of all these elements, calcium and beryllium belong to the second group as there are 2 electrons each in their outermost shell. Next is nitrogen 7, carbon 6, oxygen 8, beryllium 5, aluminum 13. Which is the most electronegative element among these? Electronic configuration: nitrogen 2,5, carbon 2,4, oxygen 2,6, boron 2,3, aluminium 2,8,3. Oxygen is the most electronegative element among these as it has the maximum number of electrons in its outermost shell. Next is beryllium 4, carbon 6, oxygen 8, boron 5, aluminium 13. Which is the most electropositive element among these? Let's write down the electronic configuration. Beryllium 2,2, carbon 2,4, oxygen 2,6, boron 2,3 and aluminium 2,8,3. The most electropositive element among these is beryllium as it has the lowest number of electrons in its outermost shell. Next question. Sodium 11, phosphorus 15, chlorine 17, silicon 14, magnesium 12. Which of these has largest atoms? Sodium has the largest atom, as all these elements belong to period 3 and sodium is having the lowest number of electrons in its outermost shell. Next one, calcium 19, lithium 3, sodium 11, beryllium 4. Which of these atoms has smallest atomic radius? Beryllium has the smallest atomic radius as it has the maximum number of electrons in its outermost shell. Question 3, 3 marks each. Write the name and symbol of the element from the description. The atom having the smallest size. Hydrogen 1. The atom having the smallest atomic mass. Hydrogen 1. The noble gas with the smallest atomic radius. Helium. Next one, question 3b. Write the names from the description. The period with electrons in the shells K, L and M. Third period. The group with valency 0. Group 18. The family of non-metals having valency 1. Halogen family. The family of metals having valency 1. Alkali metals. The family of metals having valency 2. Alkaline earth metals. Two elements having valency 4. Carbon, silicon. Next question. Give scientific reasons. Atomic size increases down the group. The atomic numbers of the elements increase as we go down the group. Thus, the elements placed lower have more electrons. To accommodate these electrons, new shells are added to the atom. These new shells take the outermost electrons farther from the nucleus, causing the atomic radius to increase as we go down the group. Next one. Elements in the same group show the same valency. Valency is the number of electrons given, taken or shared by an atom to complete its outermost shell. All the elements in the same group have the same number of electrons in their outermost shells. Thus, all these elements take, give or share the same number of electrons. Hence, elements in the same group show the same valency. Question 4. 5 marks each. Rearrange the columns 2 and 3 so as to match with the column 1. Answer. Triad. Average of the first and the third atomic mass. Dobereiner. Octave. Properties of the 8 elements similar to the first. Newlands. Atomic number. Positive charge on the nucleus. Moseley. Period. Sequential change in molecular formulae. Mendeleev. Nucleus. Concentrated mass and positive charge. Rutherford. Electron. Lightest and negatively charged particle in all the atoms. Thomson. Distinguish between lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides are placed in group 3 in the 6th period. Actinides are placed in group 3 in the 7th period. Lanthanides are 14 elements having atomic numbers from 58 to 71. Actinides are 14 elements having atomic numbers from 90 to 103. All lanthanides are naturally occurring elements. Actinides include some natural and some man-made elements. The lanthanide series is generally placed just below the periodic table. The actinide series is generally placed under the lanthanide series.
If you understand the topics in this video, please like this video and share it with your friends, and to get more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.